Dr. Ki AJ Syngkon ubadai unong seng yaka Voice of the People Party unlong Kyrtong MP ka party nakabanta ka election siya ka Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kabanlong hausnam arja arpausaw. Ya kanila Pynbna u Dr. Karachan ubadai u General Secretary ka VPP menta ka arpawai tarik jaldiw arja arpaulai.
Terus kalau ban Pynbna ya candidate MP jomi kena election parliamentary election kan long 2024. Di kabeli begani ke parti jomi state election committee kalau itu kedua akan hadir terik yang berai. Baradin kebang nilai perkat sani bah mungkin mea keren sibun di nilai ke keren ikoi karai bah in nominate ya i Dr. Ricky R.J. Syngkon. Ricky A.J. Syngkon. Nong u candidate yung ka Voice of the People Party na mata ka parliamentary election ka nong 2024. We will not seek support of any political party.
Regional party.
No, we do not seek any support from any political party. We will contest our own.
And the reason?
Well, there are a number of issues, and one of the most important issue is the reservation policy. That is one, and then there are other issues also, which we feel that if the people elect our candidate to the Lok Sabha, we feel that we'll be in a position to air our views the floor of the house, especially the issues like the ILP and other issues which are important for the state of Meghalaya. Two applicants have applied to contest the election from our party. One of them is Dr. Bahunlang Tron. She is an assistant professor in the PGT college, and then another one is a professor in the Northeastern Hill University, Professor Lakhwan Kamal. These are the two applications that the party received. And then there are others also who came personally to meet the president on this issue. You don't give application, you don't give a president rule individually personally.
But why?
Jongi kemyo nama kita bala buat kila yung untuk president, but kita orang nak pedang jongi di bala di jingkok di application, mau bikin kuat contest ini ka MP election. Ini kalau bila ada orang yo banyak cakap, dari bentuk tu pak kamsuk ini dengan ya nanti ini dengan election. Because first of all also the ideology of the party also is different from other regional parties. Okay, so that is, I think, it's difficult for us to work with other political parties. Yeah, that is true, but then he is here and he's here to concentrate on state politics. Okay, he's the president of the party, the leader of the party. We feel that he's the right person to be in the state, not to go to Delhi. So which is why we have decided to field Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon as our candidate for the Lok Sabha election next year. We wait for the government to at least the government has allowed the constitution of a search committee to constitute that expert committee. So we wait for the government. We have to wait for some time.